No, I don't have a motorcycle problem. I can stop anytime I want. 1998 Ninja 500R. It looks okay from here, but the closer you get, the worse it gets. Yeah, so you got crack fairing, you got scrape there. Carbs look like hell. Back tire needs replaced. Tail light needs to be replaced. Front signals need to be replaced. Or I could just like leave them there and dangle, you know, kind of like earrings. A little bit of cosmetic scrape there. The things there need some cleaning up. Dashboard looks alright. It's pretty decent shape. Handlebars are in pretty decent shape. Gas cap doesn't open, so I've got to either remove it or yeah, get a locksmith hammer. A little bit of rust down there. Chain definitely needs some help. So yeah, this is going to be project number 13. All right, working on my new Ninja 500 here, and I saw a video where a guy showed you how to break into the gas cap, and yeah, it's pretty horrible. Look at that. It turned into something ridiculous. Yeah, the tank looks like poopy. I wonder what the inside looks like. Yeah, look at the inside of the tank. Looks pretty bad. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some, I got some paint sealer or some gas tank sealer, but yeah, this thing's definitely gonna need some cleaning. Yep. I wouldn't say I got ripped off, but this thing definitely is in bad shape. All right, I pulled the crank cover off, and let's see if the engine turns. That's a good sign. It does seem like it's turning and it's not seized up. Let's give it one full revolution here. It seems like it has pretty good compression. Yep, pretty good compression. All right, so not complete failure yet. Pulled the bolts out of the Petcock because I got to drain the tank. The underside looks all right, but you hear how non-ringing, kind of a dud. So that means all that rust is caked on the inside or residue. But yeah, here's the here's what the Petcock looks like. Yeah, that's not savable, or it'll buff out. But yeah, it's gonna need some cleaning. So here we go. Pulled off the nose of the 98 Kawasaki Ninja 500, and apparently there's some mud daubers that built some nests in there, and they built a nest in there and there. I'm gonna clean all this out. All the wiring looks still good. I just labeled left and right for the wiring harness there. The lights will need to be replaced, but the covers are still in good shape, so I can recycle the lights, and I might be able to recycle this part of it. I don't know, but I did order new lights. I ordered, but they don't have the running lights. They just have the signal 2 wires, and they're not exactly the same, but they'll work. All right, next I'm gonna pull the side covers off. The seat's already off. This just needs to be cleaned up, polished up. So far, everything is cosmetically in good shape. I haven't tried to start or crank the engine yet because the fuel tank was a little sketchy. Before I get too far along, I'm starting to strip, well, I've mostly stripped all the fairings and plastics off this one. And, well, since this one is running and registered and doesn't have all the issues that this one has, I'm going to swap those fairings with these fairings. Now I'm gonna keep the green gas tank for now because obviously it's in good shape and I have to clean the red one, but yep, I'm switching all the red fairings over to this one, and I'm gonna have to redo some of the wiring, some of the goofy wiring that they got, like this aftermarket light. But yeah, this will eventually be a red Kawasaki Ninja 500. Stick around.